A lack of legs has made snakes devise other weird ways of moving. In the deserts of the American Southwest, off-road traveling is notoriously difficult. Shifting sand is one of the most challenging surfaces to negotiate. The horned rattlesnake's solution is to touch the sand with as little of its body as possible. Appropriately, its nickname is the Sidewinder. Like tire tread, a snake's scales usually grip the ground as it moves, but sand simply gives way. So the snake makes an S shape with its body and lifts the loops in a rolling corkscrew. This continually shifts the points of contact to stop that sinking feeling. As waves of grip pass down the body, the snake rapidly picks up speed. Its hidden prey can also make a surprise move. Sidewinders avoid being buried by sand. Others welcome its smothering embrace. This predator spends much of its life lurking just beneath the surface. It can swim through shifting sand like an eel up a river, because the grains act like liquid rock. The sand swimmer's wedge-shaped head parts the grains like the prow of a boat. Its overslung upper jaw stops it swallowing sand, and it can close its nostrils to avoid suffocating. As the snake submerges, its polished scales slip through the grains as if immersing in water. Nature shows many wonderful forms of traveling. Those that seem weird are usually the least familiar. But although we think we're normal, in nature it is we who are peculiar. Our two legs place us among the world's oddest animals. We are the only mammal to regularly walk like this. Sometimes other primates hint at the origins of our strange bipedal walk. Proboscis monkeys use it to cross mangroves. A few scientists think we were once semi-aquatic. Walking like this kept our heads above water. Others believe that freeing the hands for gripping or carrying allowed a land ape to bring back food to a family. Whatever the reason, animals that walk like us seem strange. We find it weird to see our actions mirrored in other animals. In the age of the dinosaurs, we might have felt more at home. Many were also bipedal. Today, a few unrelated lizards continue in their footsteps. Like a miniature tyrannosaur, the collared lizard hunts on two legs. but it is more agile than any dinosaur, and, size for size, much faster. Being smaller gives speed and maneuverability.
Yeah, air support.
Most bipedal lizards live in deserts. This kind of running needs space. When hunting other lizards, 2 legs give it the edge. The Tyrannosaur's modern equivalent. But while this lizard uses 2 legs for speed, we now prefer alternatives. The dinosaurs' real descendants are birds. Because they fly, we rarely notice that they walk on 2 legs like we do. But the roadrunner is an exception. Its comical human-like gait made it a cartoon character. To save energy for its sprint, the roadrunner exposes a solar panel. This dark skin patch raises its body temperature 7 degrees. It's primed for a superheated performance. To the roadrunner, our open roads are racetracks, good for chasing insects and lizards. Its tiny legs take it to 26 miles an hour. If our legs moved this fast, we would overtake any speeding bike. Because 2-legged running limits our own speed, we use artificial means of travel, such as flying. But even though it can fly, the strange roadrunner chooses to run on 2 legs for speed. Our machines take us ever faster, and we sometimes pay the price. But when we smile at the roadrunner's bipedal running, are we recognizing our own weird nature?